Let's find the value of a plus b in this equation. The first thing I'll do is to try to see how I can make this appear as this, so that I'll just equate the exponent a to what the power of x would be here, and b to what the power of y would be here. So the first law of indices I'm going to use here is the fractional index law, which is, if for example you have, let's say you have k raised to the power 1/3, okay, this can be expressed as the cube root of k. So I'm going to take away this cube root and write it as an exponent like this, but it has to be divided by 3 here, as we have here, and divided by 3 here for y as well. So let's do that here. So it's going to be x raised to the power 5/3. This 3 coming from this cube root here we have here, okay? And then I'll just write it as dot. This is 1 over y raised to the power 6/3. Again, this cube root is affecting x and y. So if you multiply x raised to the power 5/3 and this, it will give you back this, and is equal to x raised to the power a, y raised to the power what? B. From one of the laws of indices, if you have 1 over y, for instance, this can be expressed as y raised to the power -1. This is the negative index law. Okay, it's going to be expressed as this. So because I don't want this fraction here, I'm going to rewrite it as, okay, I'm going to rewrite it as this, right? So I'll take it from this form to this form, okay? Now, 6/3 is already 2, so let me just erase this and write 2 here. And the next line, I am going to write it as this. So that will be x raised to the power 5/3 dot, or times y raised to the power what? -2, like the other law of indices I highlighted the other time. X raised to the power a, y raised to the power b. So this is x, I will equate the exponent, y, I will equate the exponent. So a here is equal to what? 5/3, and b is equal to what? -2. But that's not all. They say we should find the value of a plus b. So that will be a plus b now will be equal to what's a? 5/3 plus -2, which is still the same thing as -2. Okay, so then let me just write over 1 here and find the LCM of 3 and 1, which is 3. 3 into 3 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So when you finalize this whole thing, you are going to have what? 5 minus 6 is -1, then over 3. This right here is your final answer. I'll see you in the next video.